Now let's talk about the DAISY roadmap and the Endotech roadmap. As you can see, up until today, we launched DAISY in January of 2021, a soft launch for 4 days. We officially launched DAISY on March 30th of 2021. And we want to show you kind of where we are, where things are going, and give you a couple of the highlights that you can expect. So in 2021, one of our major focuses right now is to achieve the $10 million into the DAISY AI fund. We're currently over $2 million that has been funded in the crowdfunding model. 500 million in assets under management in the current phase 1 model. We're currently at 68 million, I believe is the number, that has been placed into the live DAISY fund trading account for testing and developing. And of course, that fund is up by somewhere around 50% or more right now. And so great results there. And we want to complete phase 1 of DAISY AI. Dr. Anna has already begun to deploy some of the most brilliant quant scientists in the world. That first $2 million that has come in has already gone to opening up their new office and beginning the first phase of development for DAISY AI. And so 2021 is going to be exciting for that portion of the roadmap. Also in 2021, we have a vision after talking with Dr. Anna to see Forex trading also added to the DAISY platform. This would include other commodities as well, and to move into an additional $1 billion of assets under management. And so we're currently, Endotech is currently working with a team of attorneys to create the proper legal structure to move into those markets. But this is an exciting part of the DAISY roadmap as well that will allow us to go beyond the 500 million right now for phase 1, which is digital currency, and move into an additional $1 billion in assets under management. In 2021, this is exciting, and I can't say too much about this on this webinar. I'm just going to tease you a little bit with this, but we will actually, DAISY will actually be sponsoring one of the largest DeFi projects events this year. Many famous speakers, the CEO of Binance, the CEO of several of the top decentralized finance platforms in the entire world. These are household names, legends in the blockchain community will be speaking at this event. I will also be a guest speaker at this event. Every one of the speakers will also be representing DAISY, and we will be the official sponsor of this event. There'll be over 50,000 people attending that event that are non-DAISY members, and of course the entire DAISY community as well. It will be an online event broadcast in many languages. And one of the announcements that we'll be making at that event is the launch of the DAISY IDO DeFi Launchpad, the initial decentralized finance offering launchpad. And we have companies lined up right now that are launching some of the most brilliant decentralized finance projects the market has ever seen. And we're building a DeFi launchpad for the DAISY community to be a part of earning equity, profits, and income from, and it will support some of the most progressive breakthrough decentralized finance projects in the world. And there's a whole lot of details that are going to come in the future around this, but let me just tell you, what we've done so far in phase 1 is just the beginning. Where we're going right now, this growth that's happening right now is absolutely extraordinary. We've had 100,000 members contribute to the DAISY project in just the first few weeks of our launch. Over 120 million in USDT has been contributed into the smart contract. Over 60 million has been paid out in rewards to the community. All of this around phase 1. When we launched this DeFi launchpad, and here's what's important: only pre-existing members will be able to participate in this very limited special offer that we're going to be bringing to the DAISY community. The DAISY DeFi Launchpad is going to be a public project. It's not going to be a peer-to-peer project, but the DAISY community will have the opportunity to have equity, profits, and income from that project. No one else in the world will have that opportunity. But before we take the Launchpad public, the DAISY community is going to have that first movers advantage. And guys, I'm telling you, some of the biggest names in the blockchain community, in the decentralized finance and smart contract world, are excited about the DAISY DeFi Launchpad. More information to come on that. Stay tuned. Of course, we're going to keep you updated on all those announcements. And then in 2022, guys, this is where I believe the biggest breakthrough is going to happen. And that is when DAISY AI is completed and Endotech goes public. And for every single member of the DAISY community, you have this amazing opportunity to actually own equity, stock equity in Endotech, simply by contributing as little as $100 to the DAISY crowd fund. And that's going to be an exciting public offering. And we're really thrilled about the future of Endotech as a public company.